Hello mga Kaganstilyo family! Welcome back to Life and Crafts PH. And for today's video tutorial, we are going to make the top portion of this crochet bag as the foundation of our handle, like this. We are going to make it like a bayong form to make it more fashionable. This bag is made by a single crochet, and this is the back, and this is the bottom base of the bag. So let's measure it. This bag, the body of this bag is 14 inches width, and the length is about 8 inches long, and then the bag bottom base of this bag is about 10.5, and then 4 inches is the width. So so if you want to be fashionable, let's make it like this. Find the center of this bag. So how to make the center of this bag is just fold the bag bottom base, and then easily you can find the center of this bag and put a marker. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Alright? So here we go. Step 1. Let's tie the old wooden handle like this to make it easier. So see? So this is the old wooden handle, and then do the same way to the other old wooden handle at the other portion of the bag. So I just tie it like this. So we're going to crochet around, still single crochet until here or maybe here. So what is your suggestion, family? You can comment down below. So to make it in a bayong form. Step 2. Let's continue here because this is where we end. So in the next hole, make still a single crochet around until you reach in the old wooden handle. This is the way, this is the portion we started, and also this is the portion we end. I use the 3.0mm hook. So let's meet in the other portion. So here we already reached in the wooden handle. So how to crochet across the wooden handle. So just crochet like this. Pull the twine and then make a slip knot. A slip stitch, and then insert your hook. Just pull the twine first and then insert your hook like that, and then yarn over the twine and then pull, and then make a single crochet until you cover all the wooden handle like that. This is how I cover the wooden handle, my way of making a single crochet. Like that. So if you have if you like to use another O handle, it's up to you. Okay, as long as it's an O-shaped handle. Just make it sure it's neatly done. And decide later what would be the design you want to do, like put some decorations to make it more fashionable, or just leave it that way. So see, this is how it look like. We already cover all the wooden handle. So let's go to step 4, and that is to make a single crochet across to the other side of this bag. So just end it with one chain stitch and then pull. So here we go. We already turn the project and then reach to the other handle, and we already attach it, same steps. So this is it, how it look like in the other part of this project. So the same steps to the other side like that. So this is the front. A while ago that was the back. So just the same steps, single crochet still and neatly done. So see, it looks like a bayong, in a bayong shape. So let's make the other side of this bag. So let's tie the soft twine this way. Just wrap it around and make a slip stitch like that. Just insert the end of the soft twine like that, and then simple as that. And then to the next hole, just make a single crochet, still until you reach to the other side of this project. It's very easy. You know, if you want to design a bag in your own version, you can just imagine, you know, be imaginable and just look some design of the bag and you know, make your own version. This is a Bayong inspired design crochet bag. So if you want the edge of this bag, you can put a leather, or I was thinking to put like a feather cloth, like that, feather cloth. So later on, I'm going to show you the design of it, you know, or anything you like, or just leave it like that. So simple. So let's go to step 5. So like that, to end the other part, like that, make a single crochet. Just like in a ribbon bag, remember? So that you can run across to the other side. Just make it like that. And then make a single crochet to the other hole, just like that. So simple. Until you reach to the other side, just like the other part of this project. Just very easy, beginner's friendly. So here we go. We already made it. The Bayong inspired design crochet bag. So that one, as you can see a while ago, there is a portion that we can see the wooden handle. So see, this is what I was talking about. I was thinking to put a feather. I don't know what's the name of that one. So anyhow, we will see. So, salamat family for watching. See you in the next tutorial.